and welcome to my channel Economics and Queries. Today I will try to solve one problem from geometry section, and the chapter is 6.5 of class 10. See here, PQR is a triangle, right angle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR such that PM square equal to QM into MR. So we have to prove PM square equal to QM into MR. Now first one you have to do what has been asked in the question. You see PQR is a triangle. So first of all you draw a triangle. Okay, here we will write P, Q and R according to question. Now up to this much is finished. Now next you see is triangle, but it is right angle at P and M. So P and M is a point on QR. Where is QR? Here is QR. And P and M is right angle. So M should be midpoint. So here it is right angle at QR. So what we have find? We have find there in this triangle PQR there are two right angles. See PMQ and PMR. Right angle means what? The angle which is 90 degree. Now how we can prove? Just use Pythagoras theorem in right angle. We know here the two right angles, so you just write in triangle PQM by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and also another right angle is in triangle PRM. So in both the cases we will use Pythagoras theorem. Now you see in PQM, according to the condition of Pythagoras theorem, the sum of squares of base and altitude should be equal to the value of hypotenuse. This is what? This is hypotenuse. This is what? This is our altitude, height, and QM is what? QM is base. Now in PQM what we have to write according to condition? It will be base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse, HYPOTNUSE, hypotenuse square. Now base is what? QM. So here you write QM square. Now what is altitude? Altitude is PM square. Now what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is PQ square. Okay, now in the second triangle here you see base is what? Base is MR square. What is altitude? Altitude is PM square. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is PR square. Now in both the cases you see there is one common is what? Altitude, PM square, and here we have to find what? PM square equal to QM into MR. So just you change the position, kept PM square here, on the other side of equal sign PQ square will remain same, QM square will be minus QM square. So give it equation number 1. Here also do the same thing, PM square equal to PR square will remain same, just change from this side, on the other side of equal it will become MR square. That one will become equation number 2. Now what you have to do? You just add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when you will add, it will be PM square plus PM square PQ square minus QM square plus, because we are adding equation 1 and equation 2, that is plus PR square minus MR square. Now here you see pm square plus pm square will become what? 2pm square. Okay. Now here you see one thing, QM base of this right angle and MR is the base of other part of the right angle, PMR. Now here you see P, if we add PQ square, we have to manipulate here. If we add PQ and PR, what we will get? We will get QR, because this portion plus this portion will become what? QR. So PQ square and PR square, that is PQ square, PR square. Here we will write PQ square plus PR square minus QM square minus MR square. Now you see PQ square plus PR square will become what? QR square. So you write just QR square. Next you see Q minus, you kept it same, minus QM square. Then next is what? Minus MR square. So here you write minus MR square. Here it will be 2PM square. Now one thing you see, in case of QR, okay, QM plus MR, what we can write? Q for QR square, what we can write? QM plus MR. So here we write 2PM square QR will be what? QM plus MR. So QM plus MR will give one whole square minus QM square minus MR square. Now 2PM square, A plus B whole square formula, you just put QM square plus 2y QM into MR plus MR square minus QM square minus MR square. So minus MR square plus MR square will cut, minus QM square plus QM square will cut. Here it will remain 2PM square 2QM into MR. Now you just write here PM square, here it will be 2QM into MR. Just divide, this two will be below this portion in denominator of this one. This is the numerator. Now these two will be replaced here. So 2 will cut, will get PM square equal to QM into MR. So students, you just share with your friends so that it will help them to understand this geometry of class 10, and also so that they can do it easily in the exam purpose. So for today this much. In my next class I will try to do another problem. Thank you for watching.